In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your search history in Canva. If you've been using Canva for a while, you might have noticed that your search history can get a little cluttered, especially when you're experimenting with the different design elements. Clearing it out not only tidies things up, but also makes your design workflow smoother. Let's get started. First, head over to the Elements tab in Canva. If you're working on a project and looking to add graphics, icons, or illustrations, this is where you'll spend a lot of your time. You can find the Elements tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it opens a whole world of creative possibilities and allows you to search for specific items to enhance your design. Once you're in the Elements section, focus on the search bar at the top. This is where you type in keywords to find the exact items you need for your project. Over time, you might have typed in dozens of searches while looking for inspiration or experimenting with different ideas. And if you want to start fresh, this is where you can clear all that history. Click inside the search bar and you'll see a list of your previous search queries. Right there, you'll notice a clear button. This handy little option lets you manage your search history with just one click. By selecting clear, all your past searches are removed instantly. It's a small step, but it really helps if you want a clean workspace or are starting a new design without any distractions from previous searches. You might be wondering why this is helpful. Besides keeping things tidy, clearing your search history can actually improve the speed at which Canva suggests new elements for your projects. It declutters your workspace and makes your creative process more efficient and enjoyable. Another reason to clear your search history is that it helps you stay focused. When your search bar is full of old keywords, it can be easy to get distracted or stuck looking at things you've already tried. Starting fresh encourages new ideas and keeps your creativity flowing. Regularly managing your search history can save you time and mental energy. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, keeping your Canva workspace organized allows you to focus fully on your creativity without unnecessary distractions. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can keep your Canva search history clean and your design workflow smooth. If you found this tutorial useful, check out our other videos for more Canva tips and tricks. Keep designing, stay creative, and have fun exploring everything Canva has to offer.